we're meeting. You're going to tell us about you. We're very interested in about who God made you to be and your kids and your family culture. Let me share with you about Equip 222 in Georgia and my family. So we're the Cooper family. I'm a co-founder of Equip 222 along with Danielle. You'll see her in the next slide. I've been married 21 years, almost 22 years to Ian. We were high school sweethearts, and he is just the love of my life. We have six children, starting with Micah, who's almost 15. He'll be in ninth grade. Next is Cade. He's almost 12. He'll be 12 by the time we start the new year. He's a rising seventh grader. Hope is 9.5. Our first daughter, she'll be in fourth grade. Luke is 7. He starts the next set of boy, boy, girl. He's in second grade coming up. Victory is going to be 5 in the next school year. So he's a rising kindergartner. And then Annie is in what I call baby school. She's 1.5. Okay. We have a group in California that's going into their 6th year. Danielle Calantro is our co-founder, and she's operating Equip California with Deidre. Deidre Card with her children. Deidre's got 3 children, and Danielle has 3 children.